Digital Nest, Hyderabad's leading digital marketing academy, launches its annual summer workshop on blogging and digital marketing for students from Standard 10th to PG. In this workshop you will be trained on website design, online money making, search engine marketing, Google AdWords, Facebook marketing, YouTube marketing, affiliate marketing, Google AdSense. Who can learn this course? Students from 10th standard to PG, housewives, freelancers. Program outcomes: you will have your own website, blog. You will know how to make money online. You will know how to run ads on YouTube and Facebook. You will know hidden secret tricks of internet. Program duration: 1 month. Certification: 1 will be issued from Digital Nest, and we will also assist you in getting Google AdWords certification. Come join Digital Nest, get incubated in various online marketing practices,